Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to check if a YouTube channel is monetized in 2024. First thing you will need to do is to go to your YouTube page. Once on your page, you either can select any YouTube channel that's display. If you have one that you prefer, you can go up top, type in their name, information. Once their page is up, you can go further into their channel description, copy their YouTube link up top. So now that you have copied the YouTube link, you want to then go over to this website. It is called isthischannelmonetized.com. So once you type that information in, this is the web page that will come up. So this is how the page look. You can scroll down, but right here you can paste in the YouTube information that you copied. And once you paste it, then you can search, and it's real quick. You usually generate the information right away. So now you can see exactly if this channel is monetized or not. So now you can see that this channel is monetized. Here, I highlight for you. So now you can scroll down and get a couple more information about the channel that's generated. As you can see, this is the information that was generated. You can scroll down. Some channels have more information that's gathered, some don't have much information. So now you can view the information that was generated for this channel and get an idea of the income generated. This is a very helpful tool going into 2024. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Till next time. Thank you.